It's the chicken that was literally worth $1 million.
Do you like it? I hope so.
Oprah tried out the chicken on her legendary talk show way back in 2006. And as sometimes happens these days, nearly 13 years later, it's being brought back to life on social media.
Just say yes.
No. I do like it. I like it very much. I think, did we add salt and pepper? I think we needed salt and pepper.
No, there's no salt and pepper in it.
After the clip went viral last month with 7 million views, Oprah posted this video.
The truth for me was that I am used to having salt and pepper on my chicken. That's just the truth. That's what I was thinking.
The recipe for baked chicken with spinach stuffing was created by stay-at-home Chicago mom Anna Ginsberg, who won the $1 million Pillsbury Bake-Off prize. So is it really worth $1 million, or was Oprah's reaction the real verdict? To find out, Chef Ashton Keefe cooked up the chicken with Inside Edition producer Allison Hall. The secret is in the sauce.
This is kind of like what's so phenomenal about this, because it's at that salty sweet, and so we're using maple syrup, and we're using peach preserves, and then we're using Worcestershire sauce.
And plenty of seasoning.
We want to make sure we season every single piece of this.
20 minutes at 425 degrees, and voila.
You know what? I get why it's worth $1 million.